Want to move money from your other bank into Chime? Let me show you exactly how to do it fast and easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So as you can see, my Chime is open, so you can follow along step by step. First, from the home screen, tap this move money icon at the bottom, and now you will see several ways to add money like direct deposit or mobile check deposit or deposit cash. So for this video, I will show you how to transfer money from another bank. So look for the option with a little bank icon that say transfer for other bank. All I have to do is click on it and it will take me to another page, and again I have to click this link your external account. So once I click it, it will take me to this Plate screen. So a Plate is a secure trusted service that connects bank instantly. So you don't have to wait for those tiny test deposit. And I'm going to just tap this continue on this Plate screen. And here you will see a list of popular banks, or you can search your bank at the top. Once you find your bank, all you have to do is tap. For this video, I'm going to choose Sophie. And now all I have to do is enter just bank login info like email address or username and password. And Plate will verify your identity. And after that, select the account you want to connect and you are done. You can now easily transfer funds into your Chime account for that external bank. And that's it. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.